I'd do tonight is kind of a Hanoi at night, and kind of give you an idea what goes on here in this time of day, which is early evening, and it's very vibrant out here, a lot of activity. And gonna walk down some of these roads and see what we can see. And this is typical every night here in Hanoi, Vietnam. This is probably the most vibrant time of the day, is about right now. And I thought I would just get some good walking in tonight, and at the same time experience the nightlife out here. Let's see, I will cross over here. Lots of motorbikes. And plenty of light. Now you can see how tight these streets are. You know, if you like this content, helps you out, please consider subscribing. It really does help out my channel. Is it a night barbecue tonight? Got to be really careful when you're walking down these streets. I actually went over to Hanoi Train Street, and that was really cool. I got a video going up on that like really soon. That train probably was, I would say, within a foot of me. I didn't realize how close it is when you're sitting there at this coffee shop. I mean, if I stuck my leg out there, I wouldn't have a leg. And the lady that was there, she knew what was going on, because if you were out just a little bit, you were going to get hit. But it was a lot of fun. Definitely worth it, and good experience to do that. I'm kind of getting a pause here in the street, because you really lose your bearing on where you're going. Then I gotta pull the GPS out again. So head down this way. So much fun. It's such a pleasant night out too. It's not really that humid out or hot. A lot of little hotels and coffee shops all over. Not places to eat either, believe me. I had one of those sandwiches tonight. They're absolutely delicious. These streets are absolutely wild. Looks like they're getting ready to set something up here. You can see how crazily insane it gets here on these streets. You gotta look all the way around you. Don't ever assume. You got cars, buses, everything. Got a seafood place coming up. Look at all this seafood. Head back to the hotel and edit this video. Just a quick little tour of Hanoi at night, and as you can see, it's really vibrant, but a lot of fun, and I really enjoy it. So if this content helps you out, you know, please consider subscribing, give it a like if you liked it, and I hope to see you in my next video. So see you from beautiful Hanoi, Vietnam. Later.